Welcome to our channel. Today we how to request replacement UnitedHealthcare ID card guide step by step clearly. To request a replacement UnitedHealthcare ID card, start by visiting the official UnitedHealthcare website. Log into your member account using your username and password. If you haven't registered yet, click on the register button to create a new account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Account section. Look for an option labeled Order ID card or Request New ID card. Click on that option to begin the request process. You will be prompted to verify your personal information for security purposes. Make sure to enter your details accurately to avoid any delays. After verification, confirm that you wish to request a replacement card. Select the reason for your request from the provided options. If applicable, provide any additional information requested by the system. Review your request to ensure everything is correct. Submit your request by clicking the Submit button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been processed. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your replacement card. The new ID card will typically be mailed to your registered address. Allow a few business days for the card to arrive. If you do not receive your card within that time frame, consider reaching out to customer service. Contact customer service through the phone number provided on the website. Be ready to provide your member ID and personal details for verification. Once you have your replacement card, store it in a safe place for future use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.